बहुत बहुत बढ़िया हुआ आपने आपने बीच में आकर के इनका परिचय किया। अग्निवीर के नाम से हम जानते हैं, इनके कामों को जानते हैं। यहाँ भी यूएस में भी हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, हम उसमें मेंबर हैं। संजीव जी, बहुत अच्छा हुआ आज आज आपसे परिचय हुआ इस मामले में, क्योंकि मैं इस बात को मानता हूँ कि समवेयर अलोंग द लाइन इंडिया मस्ट कंटेस्ट, इन माय ओपिनियन, आई मे बी रॉन्ग, but their way has to be found, that Sanatanis do not need the concept of freedom of religion. At the ground, we are practicing of every faith. Welcome to our place. We are Sanatanis. We have no concept of freedom of religion. It's ingrained in us. So why do we import something when we don't need it? So do we need to question this entire? That is the only way to. That's one way, perhaps, to question that. I say this. My favorite word is conversion is a sin against God's original intent. Praveen is Praveen, Jaggi is Jaggi, Omendra is Omendra, Sanjeev ji is Sanjeev, Vibhuti is Vibhuti. Because God, if He wanted us to be anything else, the ultimate magician could have done it. But it didn't. It gave us birth in a culture, in a tradition, as a person who we are. So if anybody is coming to tell us that you are wrong and ours is the only way, we must oppose it tooth and nail. If it can't be made as a law because of so-called democratic aspirations, let's refuse it vehemently. व्यक्तिगत तरह से और सामूहिक तरह से हमें इस चीज को नकारना है. That's what is important.
And
Next
we have
question.
to see that we took comparative religions. We have to enter that domain.
Yes.
Like, what do they bring to the table? You have to take the fight to them. आप कब तक डिफेंसिव रहते रहेंगे? क्या क्या मनुष्य का जन्म पाप है? सनातन धर्म कहता है मनुष्य का जन्म सबसे बड़ा अवसर है.
Absolutely.
ठीक है भाई, तुम अगर पाप मानते हो, अगर सेक्स इज द ओरिजिनल सिन और सेक्स के चले जा रहे हैं, यार ये क्या पैराडॉक्स है? अगर सेक्स ओरिजिनल सिन है तो कम से कम अब तो बंद कर दो. It's a simple thing. It's a simple thing.
Oh, Omendra-ji, that's my favorite topic. I have told my American friends that how could you be living in your entire life in perpetual sin, committing every day? And I said, we gave the world Kama Sutra. We gave the world Kama Sutra, part of nature, and you.
नहीं, कामा सूत्र तो इनका EQ ही नहीं है सर समझने का. आप तो एक बात बता दें, आप खुद कह रहे हैं सिन है, सेक्स इज द ओरिजिनल सिन, तो अब तो बंद कर दो यार.
बंद कर दो. How can
बंद करो, खत्म करो दुकान, घर जाओ. हमें बताने आए हैं साहब की कि तुम्हारा देवता जो है वो राक्षस है, फलाने ढिमका है. काकन बोल यार, कोई इनको पूछता नहीं है कि यार एक थर्ड क्लास आदमी को आप अपने साथ बैठ के खाने भी टेबल पे इनवाइट क्यों करते हो? ये हमारे धर्माचार्य कर क्या रहे हैं? क्यों कहते हैं कि सब धर्म बराबर हैं? क्या अधिकार है इनका ये कहने का? विदाउट स्टडी ऑफ कंपैरेटिव रिलीजन आप ये बात कैसे कह सकते हैं? आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं. मैं एक ईएनटी सर्जन हूं, तो यार मुझे ईएनटी में रहना चाहिए. एक कोई ब्रेन ट्यूमर का पेशेंट आएगा तो मेरी इंटेलेक्चुअल ऑनेस्टी, मेरी मॉरल कंपस मुझे ये कहेगा कि यार आप न्यूरो सर्जन के पास चले जाइए, वो उसको बेटर ऑपरेट कर पाएगा. ऐसे तो अधिकार तो मुझे है. द डे आई गेट एन एमबीबीएस डिग्री, आई कैन ओपन समबडीज स्कल, बट आई नो दैट अल्टीमेटली आई विल किल दैट पेशेंट. That honesty we require from our dharmacharyas.
Thank you. And I always say, using the physicians as a community, doctors treat illness. They don't look at people's color, skin, race, or whatever. I'm talking about, I have told many doctor friends of mine here that you should form an organization called Doctors Against Religion. So anyway, let's go to the next question. Tejas, Pranam to all. What could hamper India's economic growth journey in coming years? India has suffered in every aspect of lenient and ambiguous laws. How much can we blame corporate and labor laws for being an hindrance in the journey? Jaggi ji. You are mute. You are.
Sorry. Yeah. Our problem is not that we have too many laws which we never implement. If you have fewer laws and implement them, we'll be much better off. I'm glad that under Modi ji, some of the old and ancient and redundant laws are gradually being repealed. But I think we need to move beyond laws and, as they said, into principles. We have not yet done that. We are still stuck in this rule of law business. And even that we are not doing properly. So I think it's a gradual process through which we are changing, but it's taking a lot of time. We have too many laws. I mean, take a simple thing like the ban on cow slaughter. We have 20 states which nobody implements it. Finally, you rely on vigilante groups to do it. Ridiculous. So I think either we should It is something we need fewer laws but better implementation. Not, it's not a question of more laws. We should have fewer and better.